Hey everyone, welcome back to How to Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to learn how to remove your Instagram account from an account center. For this, I'm going to use an Instagram app. So tap on Instagram app, make sure to get logged in just like me. Now tap on this profile icon on the bottom right corner. Tap on these three straight horizontal lines on the top right corner. Tap on settings and privacy. Tap on account center option. Scroll down and tap on accounts option. So you can see that I have got two of the accounts on my account center and I want to remove this account known as Kiki Thrifting. You can also do the same. Select the one that you want to remove and then tap on remove option. Now tap on remove account. So you can see that your account will lose access to these and other connected experiences. But in spite of that, if you agree with it, tap on continue option. Tap on remove Kiki Thrifting, that is your own personal account. So this is it. This is how you remove your Instagram account from an account center. I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I am going to see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe and goodbye.